What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Tonight we're revisiting one of my top 10 companies of 2018, and that company is JC Grooming. Now, I've reviewed a few of their scents now, but tonight we're going to talk about a few more of their scents and kind of bring this thing full circle. And so tonight we're going to be talking about Reveille, as well as the updated Coma Reveille. And these are two excellent scents from JC Grooming. I've also was able to negotiate some awesome deals for you guys. So stay tuned to the end. I'll go over pricing then, as well as two great deals I'm able to offer you guys for a limited time, which is pretty cool of Jack, the owner of JC Grooming, to do. So let's jump right into Reveille first. Now this is a cedarwood frankincense scent. The ingredients are jojoba, argan, amila, and then the cedarwood oil and frankincense oil. Now this is a great, it's a good everyday scent. I get hints of the cedarwood, a little bit of that frankincense. Very earthy, just a very overall pleasing scent. Now the scent duration on these, and I actually like this because the scent duration on this is probably a good 2 to 4 hours. In my opinion, this isn't an all-day scent, but that's okay. Sometimes I don't need an all-day scent, and this is perfect because this mixes well with other colognes that I wear from time to time. This is a good one to mix with colognes because that cedarwood and frankincense, it goes with a lot of stuff. It's not overpowering, it doesn't smack you in the face. You know, your significant other could probably smell this on you when they get close, but again, you're not gonna walk into a room and stink. So great oil, definitely leaves my skin under my beard feeling very conditioned. We'll talk about, they're also the Coma Reveille. This here is one of my favorites. Now I reviewed this previously under the previous name of Jack's company when it was called the Gentleman's Lounge. He recently did a whole rebranding. There's a bunch of videos out there explaining that. I think I touched on it in my last review as well. Now the Coma Reveille, this is a great oil. This is peppermint, tea tree, as well as orange. And it's like a sweet orange. And so immediately you get hit with the tea tree and peppermint. That really, I mean, it opens up your nose and nostrils. I get a little bit of the sweet orange on the tail end. But this is a great, I mean, the scent duration on this one, this is probably 6 to 8 hours. I put this in my beard in the morning and I can smell it in the afternoon at work. But that peppermint really just wakes you up in the morning. I absolutely love that. It's definitely a good scent. You have all your info there. Now, Jack makes awesome beard oils, but probably my favorite thing he makes is his beard balm. And so I'm gonna, first thing you'll notice, looks a little bit different than your traditional beard balm that comes in a 2-ounce tin can. This is glass. It's a nice glass jar there. This is 2 ounces. This is the Coma Reveille. Again, that's the peppermint, tea tree, and orange scent. See, it's got a nice white color. Now, what I really like about this, if you've been watching my channel for a little while, you know I love stronghold balms. And I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it, this balm is just as good as any balm that I've reviewed. And you know there's several companies out there that are known for their stronghold balms. This stuff here is just as good as those. So if you're looking for something in a different scent that maybe some of those other companies don't offer, definitely check out JC Grooming. I'll show you. I mean, it is legit a thick balm. It's not too hard to get out there. I mean, you gotta dig a little bit. It takes a little bit of work to break down. And I absolutely love that in a balm. I can instantly tell the minute I stick my thumb in a balm whether I'm gonna like it or not. And so it takes a little bit of work to melt it down. It's not gritty by any means. You can definitely feel the wax in there though. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's definitely a very, I actually wore this morning. I've worn this several days this week. But if you're looking for a balm to keep all those flyaways down all day, this is it. So if you've checked out other companies and you haven't been able to get their stuff, or you're really looking for a good stronghold balm, definitely pick up JC Grooming's balm. Combs through very nicely. Now this is going to give you all day hold. And now I'm starting to realize I probably should have put this in at the end, because now my hands are a little bit sticky and tacky. So definitely do got to wash them off afterwards. Now the third product Jack sent over was his beard butter. And so the Coma Reveille beard butter. Now his beard butter is kind of unique. A lot of beard butters out there are very soft and whipped, and kind of, in my opinion, this is almost like a soft and medium hold beard balm. I mean, you can get it out, but that breaks down super nice as well. Yeah, we'll go ahead and, why not? We'll throw that in as well. I wouldn't normally throw in beard butter on top of beard balm, but my beard's gonna be able to stand up on its own after this. It's be so conditioned and put in place. Both the balms and the butters have that same great scent. Overall, very happy with that. Now, he had previously sent me, and I reviewed this, the Zephyr beard balm. This is awesome as well. This is like summer in a bottle. It's got lemongrass and what was the other one? Cedarwood. Yep, cedarwood and lemongrass. This smells like, it's like a walk on the beach in a bottle. So, all right, so I promised you guys some great deals I was able to work out with Jack. So traditionally, your 1 ounce oil goes for $19.99. A 2 ounce balm goes for $17.99. And then the beard butter, that actually goes for $15.99. So I'm gonna drop 2 links in the description. The first link is gonna get you 15% off any single items. And so you get 15% off of that, any of the single items. That's good for as long as you'd like to use it. You see this video a year from now and you wanna use that 15% off, good to go. Now the other link, the second link I'm gonna drop in the bottom, is actually gonna get you $10 off one of his grooming kits. And so this link's gonna be active for a week. It's gonna expire at the end of February. So you've got till about roughly, what is it? About a week from today, it'll expire. And this is gonna get you $10 off one of his grooming kits. And he's got multiple grooming kits. You can actually get all 3 of these balms that we talked about. You can get all 3 of those in a grooming kit. That's actually $45 for all 3. So you're saving yourself about $9 because you're getting $10 off that $45. So you're getting well, it's actually probably more than that. Trying to do math on the fly, not my strong suit. But yeah, you're getting a great deal on that. So 3 balms typically goes for $45. You're getting it for $35. That's an amazing deal. And then also, I think you can do, if you wanted to do one of each, so let's say you wanted to get a beard balm, a butter, as well as a beard oil, I think that runs you about 45 bucks as well, maybe $50. Again, you're getting 10 bucks off of that. So use that second link below to get the $10 off. Again, that's good for a week from now. Definitely take advantage of it. Me personally, I would get all 3 beard balms. I think that's how great his beard balm is. Being able to get 3 of those awesome beard balms for $35, that's a good deal. And they're gonna last you a while too. That's 6 ounces of really stiff, thick, awesome beard balm for $35. Can't go wrong. But guys, as always, thanks so much for watching. If you have something you wanna drop below in a comment, something you want me to review or take a look at, happy to help. But as always, thank you for watching. Hit my ugly mug there to subscribe. And guys, God bless you. Have a wonderful night and take care of yourselves. Bye.